Hey guys, I'm hooking up a video response for Cutlery Lover's video on the Bali fire trick. I'm gonna upload it here in a minute, but anyway, started out with a Zippo and a ball song. Zippo was given to me by my mother. She went on a trip and she got me a Zippo. Very nice, colorful. And the ball song, I just got this when me and my girlfriend went out to the swap meet. A little cheap ball song works. Trying tricks with it just because I like to. I like knives a lot, so just trying to work it out. But anyway, I've been watching this video, so I wanted to try it out. So seems like you started out with the Zippo and the ball song. Okay, here we go. Didn't work. Let me start that over. Best I got for right now, but I'll try and make it look more fluid later. So, the dog wanted to say hi. This is Bella, my little baby. I love my baby. All right. Thanks. Bye.